Please subscribe for the tech channel, like it and share it. In this video, we discuss about priority of college for Andhra University, AU region in AP state. Medical college name, they are order of priority, they are Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam, Guntur Medical College, Guntur, Rangaraya Medical College, Kakinada, Siddhartha Medical College, Vijayawada, NRI Medical College, Chinnakakani, Alluri Sitaramarazu Academy of Medical Sciences, Eluru, GSL Medical College, Rajamandri, Dr. Pennamaneni Siddhartha Institute of Medical Sciences, Gannavaram, Government Medical College, Ongole, Government Medical College, Srikakulam, Katuri Medical College and Hospital, Guntur, Maharaja Institute of Medical Sciences, Vizianagaram, Konasima Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Foundation, Amalapuram, NRI Institute of Medical Sciences, Visakhapatnam, Gayatri Vidya Parishad Institute of Health Care and Medical Technology, Visakhapatnam, Great Eastern Medical School and Hospital, Srikakulam, Nimra Institute of Medical Sciences, Vijayawada. Please subscribe for the tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.